Hey everyone, this is the water marble nail art that I'll be showing you how to do in this video. For this design I'll be using 4 polishes by China Glaze. The pink is Traffic Jam, the purple is Spontaneous, the blue is Sunday Funday, and the green is Entourage. So I built up my little polished bullseye with the 4 colors, and then I took a dotting tool and from the center I pulled out towards the edge. So in total I usually had about 4 lines, which means I pulled from the center about 8 times. And then in between each of those lines I pulled from the outside towards the inside. To get the clean pointed center of the design, I just took the dotting tool and I pushed it straight into the water without dragging it. Then I dipped my finger into the design, making sure that the center point was near the center of my nail. After I dipped my nail into the water, I blew on the surface of the water so the polish would dry a little bit, and then I just pulled it away with a Q-tip. The white polish that I have on my nails is Sally Hansen Extreme Wear in White On. Using a white polish underneath any water marble will make the color stand out a lot more. To avoid a lot of the mess and all of the cleanup, you might want to use tape to put around your cuticles. I don't like to do this just because whenever I try to take the tape off, I always mess up my nails, so I just would rather clean up than use the tape. Then after a lot of cleanup, I applied top coat, and the top coat that I use is Out the Door. I hope you enjoyed this water marble design and the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.